Hi, welcome back to C Programming. I'm your Dr. Vasu. In this video, we are going to see some more applications of if-else. If you want to learn more about C Programming and many other interesting topics, please subscribe this channel. If you like this lecture, please hit the like button. That will keep me motivated to do many such videos in the future. Now, let's jump into the topic. If-else. Suppose if I want to have some sign function, like what type of number it is, we want to, if we have three types of numbers, maybe positive, negative, and 0. With the help of a sign, we want to identify that. So here it is. Let's take two variables, integer variables, and we'll enter the number. That is, the first one is taken as the number that is taken from the system. And if this number is negative, that is less than 0, sign is assigned as -1, negative, right? -1. Else, if the number is equal to 0, right? The number sign is assigned as 0. And else, we have only other one option left. It must be positive. Here, you need not write another if. So, if negative number, we have assigned something. If 0, we have done something. Else, it must be positive. In that case, the sign is +1 is given here. So, that's all. And after completion of this, it is going to print the sign, whether it is -1 or 0 or +1. Complete the program, compile it and execute. Now, please type any number. It asks the number and we have entered, suppose, plus, right? A positive number, 100. The sign is assigned as +1, right? It has come to this one. Suppose, execute it again. This time we have given a negative number, -45, and the sign is -1. So, it has ended the loop here itself in the first stage itself. We run the program again, and this time we have assigned 0. It says 0. That means it has failed here. That's why when it is false, it has come to this, and here it has come true. The number is 0. That's why it has assigned 0. The number sign is assigned as 0. Like this, we can use the if-else statements like this. Suppose we are going to enter some character. It may be a number, an alphabet, or some special symbol, whatever it is. And we are going to identify what sort of a character it is with the help of if-else. Let us see. So we have taken a character here. The character is taken as the input. You are asked to enter the character and the character is assigned C. Now, if this character, right, is equal to A, small letter A, and big letter, small letter Z, and here the and symbol is used. That means if the character is small letters between A and Z, that is, see, the character is greater than or equal to A means it must be either A, B, C, D like that till Z. It must be either Z or less than that. So the character is compared here with the help of AND statement. Or else it can be a capital letter also. So the same logic is used for capital letters from A to Z. It must be either A or greater than A. That means capital A, B, C like that, or equal to Z or less than that. This is identifying the alphabet. Next, suppose if it is an alphabet, it is going to print it is an alphabet and quit the program. Else, we are going to test whether it is a number or not. That is, the character is either 0, equal to 0 or greater than this, or equal to 9 or less than this, right? Either it must be either 0 or more or 9 or less. between, that is 0 to 9. In this case, it is going to say that it is a number. Else, if it is not an alphabet, right, or even a number, then it must be something else, right? We are going to say that it is a special character, right? Something, whatever it may be the character. Now complete the program and compile it and execute. It asks enter some character. Suppose we have entered a small letter C. Now, the statement here itself in the first bracket here, it is going to, it is true, it has come true, and it says it is an alphabet. Run it again. This time we have given a capital letter. So this statement has failed, but this has come true. It is a greater than A and less than Z. So this has come true. Here we have either it must be small or capital letter. Either it is small or capital, this statement, entire statement will be true. So in this case, this statement has come true. So it says, it must say that it is an alphabet. Okay. Now, run it again. This time we have given a number. And here this statement is failed, right? It is not an alphabet. So it comes to this second, else, what is it? Yes, it is a number. So it must say that it is a number. Yes. Now, suppose we have entered some character, not an alphabet, not even a number, ampersand. Now, both these statements have come false. This is false and this also has false. So, else, it has no other option but to say that it is a special character. So, it is a special character like this. So, run it again. This time we have given a symbol here, at symbol here, and it is again a special character. Like this, this if else statement is used to even identify the characters. So we can see with this example how to handle the characters also. Okay, so we have seen the implementation of if else and also the handling of characters. So in the next video, we are going to see the arrays, a very interesting topic. Hope you had understood this topic very well. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please do comment and do subscribe the channel to get alerts. Thank you.